Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy and exciting day out there, everybody. I always get excited when I sit down and do makeup. We're gonna do a really fun video. I just got off the treadmill in case my face is all red. Anyways, I was walking on the treadmill and I was like, you know what? It would be really fun to sit down and like dig through the back of all my makeup. Let's do a get ready. If you are new here, I want to say hi, hello, thank you for spending a part of your day with me. I'm just really excited. I'm really caffeinated always. I think you're not new here. It's just another day. Anyways, so I pulled out this e.l.f. primer putty. I thought this was a lot of fun. I don't know, maybe it's kind of weird. I like doing get ready with me's. I want to do more of them. Sometimes they're going to be themed like today, but sometimes they're not. I have messy hair today, and I don't really care. Anyways, I don't remember my thoughts on this, so here we are. I will say I was really intrigued with it because everybody said it was like this is a hot mess. Hot mess. We are a hot mess right now. Everybody said it was like Tatcha, the silk canvas, which I do have that. And I would disagree. Did I try the hydrating one? No. But here we are. And I kind of want to get back into primers. I want to get back into like all of my makeup, and I say all of my makeup because I mean you got to use it or it's gonna go bad. So trying to get back into the back stuff, or the back into I'm just trying to get back into stuff. Okay. I love makeup. Makeup makes me happy, but I want to use what I have too. So that's where we're at. So I pulled two concealers because I haven't used either of these in quite some time. I pulled the Dose of Colors because it is more of like my self-tanning shade, but I found this guy. I thought maybe I could use it as like a brightener because I've been using, not that. I've been using this and it's not my shade. It's lighter and I don't know, I kind of like the effect. So I'm going to try this first right here. Anyways. Haven't used it in a while. I don't know. So anyways, you guys periodically do this? Do you go digging? I mean, I have more makeup than I probably should. Actually, I think I'm just gonna use this on the inner right here. This would actually be really good. I have a few concealers back there that are actually, let's brighten up the center of my face because we're all broke out there anyways. I have a few shades that are like my non-tan shade, and I've been tanning for a while, just consistently. So I think what I'm gonna do is have a conversation. Hold on. I think what I'm gonna do is start pulling them out and using them as a brightener because I've been kind of digging the brighter T-zone area. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna do that to use them up. Anyways, so doing that anyways bit again. Let me know if you guys use any of this stuff, your thoughts, comments, opinions. I really want to say thank you to everybody that let me know their favorite fruits or like what they've been kind of digging like at the moment. Anyways, I mean, I feel like my fruit likes are always like whatever's in season, really. I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. Oh, this is full coverage. Oh. I'm not into full coverage at the moment. Anyways, so I will squish this. I don't remember. I think I got this last springish, summerish. I don't remember-ish. But anyways, before I squish it, you could see quite a bit was used. I gotta use some of this stuff. I have favorites, but let's use some of this. Let's not do full coverage though, because it's not my jam anymore. Anybody else? Let me know what has changed. Like any makeup preferences. That would be a fun video to do too. Makeup. I was one pump, and that was, I'm thinking, too much. And I think I'm gonna go in with a sponge. Okay, we're gonna stop dabbing just in case. See, because I don't want the full coverage. I don't want the full coverage. I want maybe medium-ish coverage. Maybe light medium coverage would be just fine. Anyways, I don't remember if I even like this. It should be fun. It is it's my Friday. I think I'm putting this up next week, Friday. I think so. Anyways, so I'm starting to film ahead a little bit. I usually have like a week ahead of myself schedule videos. Anyways, I have them filmed. Usually I don't film too far ahead, just I don't have time for that. When I do have lots of time, I like to read. I did all kinds of stuff today at my walk-in. I've been trying to walk more. That was awkward. Let's see if we can build this up maybe. Oh, I so broke out. I'm just gonna let it sit there. Silly mood. So, I mean, that's enough coverage maybe? I don't know. I mean, not that it, I feel bad wasting all of this. I don't need full coverage. I don't mind that you see my broken veins and scars and stuff, but it does look like it's sitting really decent on the skin. I actually like this like paired with the poreless putty. It looks nice. It looks nice. I'm just gonna wipe this off. Oh, I hate wasting. Anyways, maybe I need to pull this out. Oh, but I am trying to pan that guy over there. I'm gonna go in a little bit with this concealer just because it's almost too light. That Maybelline. This is a fabulous concealer. This is my second tube of this. I love this. I love this. Whew, that is a good concealer. But let the concealer dry. It really, really does help. So chit chat. I'm in a silly mode. I'm always in a silly mode though. I just like to be in a happy, upbeat, positive mood. I didn't pull. Okay. So I am trying to get out the door as well. So I did pull just a face palette. So I didn't pull one of everything. And I didn't pull a thinger, like a mascara. I just have like some sitting up here. I didn't pull an eye primer, but I'm trying to use eye primers and I don't see an eye primer. Okay. I just grabbing this just because I do want to start working through my eye primers, so I'm just nonchalantly grabbing one. I'm really excited to use this palette. I really, really am excited. When I have 2 baskets of palettes, which isn't a lot, but anyways, and I blindly reached into the cupboard and pulled whatever was back there. So what I grabbed, I'm really excited to use. Anyways, I pulled a brow product I haven't used in a while too, and I crushed when I got it too. So I'm excited to get into it. So the palette that was in the very, very back of the basket that I'd picked was this from Tarte. This is the Young and Wild Cruelty Free, and I think it's cool. It was a limited edition, and I don't care. I'm just here to use my makeup. Ugh. I think it's beautiful, and I have not used it in so long, but we're gonna go in here. I think I'm gonna stick with like the pinky tones. Not surprised. I mean, it kind of matches my shirt. Not that I need to be matchy-matchy, but I want to for right now. Anyways, I'm gonna start with Hypocritical. I also really love the names that they did in here. They're all like animal names, but like puns, and I think puns are just, they're fun. I don't know, they're punny. I also think dad jokes are hilarious, like, oh, the corny stuff, right? Oh, I meant to powder my face. Maybe I don't need to. Maybe a little bit. Anyways, and then I'm gonna dip into Iguana Love You. Right? Yeah, Iguana Love You right here. Oh, that's blinding. Sorry. Anyways, I want to get this palette out more. This is really pretty. Oh, that's a little more than I wanted. I wanted more pink. I am so in love with pinks right now. Try to color switch it. I'm going to go back into Hypocritical and see if I can tone down the red. Anyways. A little bit. It works. Here to play with makeup. So I've been doing this like the shimmer lids first, and then I'm finding that when I go in with my crease brushes, oh, I want this one right here, and then I'm gonna dip into, oh dear, these names. Anyways, and when I go into like my matte shades, it kind of blends a little bit of like the shimmer up in my crease, which it doesn't bother me. It really doesn't. And I actually kind of like, I like the look. I don't know. I'm just here to play with makeup from the back of my drawers, which I don't have drawers. I have baskets on shelves, like in my little, I don't know, it's like a dresser armoire kind of thing. There's like a side cabinet that's got, well, that's where my makeup has landed. I did have it over in the cabinet in baskets because my drawers, I mean, like I ruined with the water, but so I don't have drawers anymore. I kind of want drawers back because I don't know. I feel like maybe I would get into my makeup more. It's still pretty pinky. I don't know why it's skipping right there. My eyebrows need to be maintained. It's Friday. I'll probably do that later tonight, or at least this weekend. Anyways, I'm going to take the same brush. I'm just going to pinch it, and then same shade, that Oh Dear, and I'm going to take that on the lower lash line. Oh, we are creasy underneath here. We're going to have to set this. Can't be running around with creasy under eyes. That will bug me by the end of the night. Not that we're doing anything. Anyways, let's go in. I'm going to go in to Awkward. I'm trying not to drop the palette. It's kind of big to be holding, to be honest. Kind of pull in a little bit of color, shifty. The shade is really pretty. It's gold, but it's green. Maybe a little blue in there. It'll be fun to see it, what the camera is actually picking up. Because I feel like it's always different. Like what I see, and then when I see it back, I'm like, that's totally different. All right, that's all I'm gonna do for that. Now I gotta get some powder on my face. So I did pull my MAC Skin Finish Natural Mineralize. That was all backwards. But anyways, I have a large dent in this. I haven't used this powder. I think this is the longest or the oldest powder I have back there, but again, I pulled from where I usually don't grab. My ghostly, hopefully not. Okay, I pulled a face palette. Did I say that already? I pulled a face palette just because I haven't been using my face palette, so I did pull one. This is the Becca, Chloe, and Malika BFF palette. So I can get into this because I've not been in this. I think I crushed on this really hard when I got it for a couple months, and then I put it away, and then I don't remember getting it out. So I'm excited to be doing this video. I mean, it's kind of fun just to see what was in the back of everything. I definitely, like, for the face section, I was like, I don't know that I want to go through and dig through all of my, buckets of stuff. And I was like, you know what, let's pull a face palette. So this was the last one that was in there. This bronzer is almost too light. The blush I'm going to use is this one. I don't think they're named, or they are. Bronze Fabulosa. I'm using this one, you guys. Let me know if you guys ended up, do you have this palette? I guess I didn't realize I grabbed so much that, like, isn't anymore. I don't know. I'm happy I did grab it, though, because I like a luminous blush, and this is very luminous, and it's gonna make me have happy cheeks. I'm so silly. Anyways, I like this. The packaging is bulky, and I think that's why I stopped using it so much. Anyways, so I did pull the NYX Eyebrow Gel right here. I don't remember the last time I used this. I don't even know if it's dried out. This was recommended by one of my friends that does makeup, and she's like, this is like the best thing I have. And I crushed on this for a long time. It is really nice, and it stays really well. The trick is to get a good brush, though. This is the Brow Gel brush that I did grab. Elf has another one that I really like. And if you ever do your brows and it gets a little dark in one area, use a spoolie, and then it like brushes out, and it softens it. Just be careful not to brush it too far outside of the brow realm, because then you're gonna smear your brow stuff. Okay, brows. I'm just gonna use whatever mascara I have in front of me. I am gonna use this. This is in my panning up project just because it's gonna match this, but I pulled the lip gloss, vinyl lip gloss, and the Ulta Beauty matte liquid lipstick, and my sticker is gone. I don't know the shade. So I'm gonna do this really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look with all of the goodies I used in this bag here. I had a lot of fun digging it through my makeup to see what was hiding in the back. And yeah, this is just a kind of sit down, quick and simple, get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what is like hiding in the back corners of your makeup storage area, whether it's drawers, cabinets, buckets, just let me know down in the comments. I hope everybody has an amazing and beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to smash the like button. Helps me out. Leave me your favorite emoji down in the comment section. And I hope to see everybody in the next video. Bye.